Nice. I had it with the chili, so yeah.
But you need a lot of water, don't you? After having it with chili.
Hey, it's so nice. Decide, what's the problem?
Assalamu alaikum and zdravo. By the way guys, that's hello in Croatian. But hello guys, I'm back again to my channel and I'm doing another cooking video, but this one is very special because this is a new thing that I'm going to focus on my channel, is doing some international cooking, which means that we'll be seeing different countries like their food. So today we'll be making a food from the countries Croatia of part of Europe, and we'll be making a Croatian turkey in a style. And if you didn't notice yet, turkeys are made in everywhere else around the country, yeah. But I'll be showing you how to make it in a Croatian style. So yeah, let's get cooking. Guys, before we start this turkey Croatian style cooking here, first I want to do some 5 key facts about Croatia. So let's get on to these facts. The first key fact about Croatia is that it's home to one of the most smallest towns in the whole world. Guys, if you know this famous film Game of Thrones here, you won't believe what it actually originated from. It's from Croatia, and it was like coasted in the Dalmatian coasted. And by the way guys, this is the comment section. Put the comment section below you if you like Game of Thrones, because I actually love it. I watch it before all the time. So yeah. The third key facts about Croatia is that you know, when it comes to going up to sunshine, yeah, in Croatia, yeah, people are very lucky than here in the UK, because they get to go out in the sunshine a lot, and basically 25 hours,
2,715 hours of sunshine a year.
Yeah,
that is a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, they're so lucky because the president is a nice president there. So,
yeah.
The fourth interesting fact about Croatia is that it has a lot of natural islands, which they are very lucky to have a lot of islands. So yeah. And the last key fact is that in Croatia, yeah, they have a lot of animals, and this is the very most special animal, is that there's an animal called the seal, yeah, and it's actually the last one in Croatia, yeah, and it's the most interesting animal that I have ever heard of. So yeah. Guys, I'm so excited because we're gonna get cooking and we're going to make a Croatian turkey. So let's get cooking.
Woohoo!
Alright guys, step 1, you're going to chop your garlic into little pieces, and you're going to make little holes, if I can, so okay, I think that's
Yeah, that should be okay.
Yep. I think it's like this.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
So you do it like this. Okay guys, also one more thing, I actually forgot to wear my apron and my hat, so I just went there and wore this. But next step, for step 2, you're going to add your salt.
So no, you don't just throw it. This one is a bit different. You need to get some on your hand.
Okay.
Pour a little bit on your hand, and
then you're going to rub it in, and then you're just going to give it a massage.
So guys, make sure you massage it. With one, you put all the salt in one section, so you're gonna have the really salty part, okay? I'm not gonna have that.
I don't care. I don't care. Alright guys, next we're going to get your garlic and your brush, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your brush and you're going to get it like this, and then pour it in and use the brush to scoop it out. So yeah. Guys, next we're going to add some lemon juice and we're going to shake it. So look.
And what will this lemon juice do with them?
It makes like it adds some like sauce in it. By the way, guys, if you didn't notice here, unfortunately, I don't have a turkey because I went out here and I couldn't find any turkeys in the butchers. So what we did instead is use a chicken. But because of lockdown, but after lockdown, yeah, if you manage to find any turkeys here, you can try it out with a turkey. Guys, next we're going to add soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. So yeah. Anyway, let's add it. Alright guys, next you're going to get your parsley and your paprika. So
What?
So
It's
we're going to,
paprika.
oh whatever.
Did you read it?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna. Oh, can you see that bring a green thing?
So sprinkle a bit more, a bit harder. Maybe try the other.
Alright
Say,
guys, this is how it should look like. So look at that. So yeah, oh, it looks so
I'm taking
nice.
my job off the camera.
So yeah.
Give the camera
next
back.
we're going to add my favorite, which is basically chili, and I'm gonna add a lot.
Mess that everyone made. What did you do?
Good, because I love it when it is insanely hot because
What did you add?
I'm used to chili stuff, okay?
Okay, but this is so much. What the? You went crazy for a second, man.
Alright guys, next we're going to get an olive oil and we're going to shake it around.
Okay, now please, carefully. No, carefully. Wait, it's not even open yet, wait.
Oh. Open it.
Let me open it. No. What are you doing?
Oh.
You need to open it, okay? So pull that thing. Come on, where does all that food go? No, mate, it's not open yet. No, what are you doing?
Give it to me.
Now, please, gently,
No,
gently.
that was-
really
that was so
slowly,
hard.
evenly.
Yeah.
Really? What?
Guys, I kind of got like so crazy when adding the oil, so make sure you don't add a lot of oil, but for me, I have it with a lot of oil, so yeah.
I mean, we don't, but you just went a bit crazy.
Yeah. Alright guys, next we're going to brush everything inside, like mix it around, so yeah, and that's so fantastic to add a lot of that sauce that is basically a chili related, and I love chilies. I always go crazy with adding too much chili in it. Obviously, guys, if you're not a fan of chili share, you can add like less, but if you're the guys who loves chilies, yeah, you can add a lot of it. So yep. Alright guys, you're gonna leave it in the fridge to marinate, yeah. So we just put it in the fridge to let it marinate. So yep, and we'll wait for it to be marinated, okay, for 2 hours. Alright. Alright guys, while we're waiting for the chicken or slash turkey to like marinate, yeah, we're going to McDonald's just to get something because apparently it opened today, and I'm so excited. So yeah, let's go and get McDonald's. Woohoo! Guys, we just make it to McDonald's here. So I usually have like fish fingers, but since they ran out, yeah, I'm going to have filet fish, if that's alright. Is that how it's pronounced? Alright, because I don't have good English. So yeah.
You don't have good English?
Yeah, because
Really?
I struggle with English a lot.
Oh, okay. That's hard to believe.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you said it right.
Look guys, I finally got my McDonald's food, so so excited to eat them. Wait, I'm gonna have one. Hey guys, I just got back from McDonald's and it was so good there. So I just got back home here, and we just got out the chicken or turkey out the fridge. So And so what we're going to do next is we're going to get potatoes here. You're gonna add them in, and then you put it in the oven. Okay? So yeah. Alright guys, next we're going to, this is like optional, but next we're going to add some seasoning like sauce. So we're going to add some mixed herbs, salt and peppers. So yeah, so we're going to use
First add the salt.
Oh, okay.
Just sprinkle some salt on the potato. No, on the potatoes. On the potatoes.
Oh yeah, by the way, if you like salt, yeah, make sure you add a lot according to your taste. But next we're going to add some black peppers, which is like crushed, so yeah.
Add it all around.
By the way guys, a quick reminder, when you use the oven, yeah, make sure you set it on 180 degrees. Alright guys, we just added the salt and peppers. Next, this is the final one. We're going to add some mixed herbs.
Careful, we're gonna use the other thingy because it's gonna come up. Alright. So spread it all around, okay?
Alright guys, next we're going to put it in the oven. So this is a quick reminder. We're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes here, and then we're gonna take it out and then check on it if it's ready to cook, and then we'll put it back in there to be cooked again. But this is a quick reminder. Make sure you check on your food so you don't have a burnt dinner. So let's put this bowl on for
So how you're gonna cook it is, for the first half an hour.
Alright guys, I just got back and the 40 minutes are up now. The chicken does smell very good, so let's check it out. Look guys, we just got it out and let me see the inside. So look, wow, look at this. It looks so nice. Gosh, it's so cool. Wow, look at this. Look at that potato, the chicken or turkey, whatever you're calling it. So it looks so nice. So
I can't wait to try it.
yeah. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put it back in the oven so it can like cook more, and when we get it out of the oven, yeah, it should come out very perfect. So I'm going to do that right now.
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yum.
Look guys, I just cut off the chicken and I'm gonna taste one, and it looks so beautiful with my vegetable, with my potato. So yeah. It's so nice, I love it. Very, very nice.
You don't speak with your mouth full, man.
Whatever. It's so nice, I love it so much. Yeah. It's so nice, but I'm full.
Thank you so much. This is actually really delicious.
Yeah.
I can taste the garlic in the chicken. It's completely different, you know, from the chicken that I make.
I know.
I actually really like this.
I know.
And it's quite healthy as well. It's very What about
Thank
you?
you, Rizwan. Very lovely.
Thank you so
Abbas.
much.
Really nice.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video, and you just saw me eat the chicken, yeah? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, yeah? And any Croatian people who likes turkeys, yeah, you might enjoy this one. And you can have it with a turkey or a chicken, yeah? But that's for all, yeah? Guy, I want to say thank you for all the people who's been supporting me, and I want more support from you guys by subscribing my channel and share it, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook account. So yeah, and make sure you smash the like button. Okay guys, it's the end of the video, so bye. You know what I mean?